What to do when a computer mouse not working? The motherboard along with the CPU are the two most important parts of your computer. But once your input device is starting to act strange, it's panic time. A computer mouse not working is not a good thing. We do not quick to worry about data loss when a mouse stops working. Nevertheless, it is a cause for concern because the mouse is also an important part of the computer system. True, you can perform most if not all the tasks with a keyboard. Having a mouse is a different ball game. I do not know about you, but for me if the mouse dies, it is like the whole system dies. When your click does not click or your roll does not roll, your computing fun halts. Computer mouse not working could be anything. Remember, sometimes a simple restart solves many problems. Ask yourself a few questions. Did you make any changes to your computer prior that could cause the mouse to stop working? The quickest way to determine if the problem is hardware or software is to try a different mouse or try the mouse on a different computer. If another mouse is not available, try one of the solutions below. You can also do a system restore to a point where the mouse was working. But before you go that route, please try the following. If the mouse has no movement at all, please check the connection in the back of the computer or the front to make sure it is properly connected. Disconnect and reconnect the mouse to see if that solves the problem. While the mouse is disconnected, you may want to do a visual check to see if any of the pins on the connector are bent or loose or if anything like dirt is obstructing the connection. This is what a PS2 mouse looks like. A USB type connection is no different. When mouse stops while working. If you are in the middle of an important document when it fails, use the keyboard to quickly save your work. The key combination to save is usually Ctrl+S. If your mouse has a removable trackball, remove the trackball and clean inside. Mouse jumping or misbehaving. A misbehaving mouse or mouse running all over the screen could be anything. It could be because of one of the issues mentioned above, it could be because of a virus or a misconfiguration. Do a virus scan to be sure that your system is not infected. Check your system to see if your driver is not corrupted or needs to be replaced. A bad driver usually has a yellow icon or sign in System and Devices in Control Panel. Follow these steps to check mouse driver and system device check. Hit Window key +R, type devmgmt.msc, and hit Enter. Hit Tab to change focus to the main window, click down arrow until you reach mouse, hit right arrow to expand, hit Enter to get to the mouse properties window 7. Use a combination of hitting Tab and arrow keys to get to the driver tab, make a selection depending on what you want to do, update driver, roll back driver, uninstall and so on. If you see a yellow icon, it usually means there's something wrong with the mouse, driver or there is a conflict. Please attempt to fix the issue by either reinstalling the driver, roll back or uninstall using the above steps. If you followed all the troubleshooting steps above and the mouse still not working, this might be a more serious issue with the computer or the OS may need to be reinstalled. Remember, clean your mouse often. They usually get dirty after rolling around for a while. You can clean the mouse from time to time by removing the trackball if it has one. Hope this article brought some help with computer mouse not working issues. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to keep the channel going.